Hi everyone. Project management dashboard templates are very useful to view your projects in rich graphical visualizations in Excel. In this video, we will be previewing 2 project management dashboard templates. Project management dashboard, single project template. Project management dashboard, multiple projects template.
Template 1, Project Management Dashboard, Single Project Template.
Dashboard, in Project Management Dashboard, Single Project Template. Project details, in Project Management Dashboard, Single Project Template. Tasks, in Project Management Dashboard, Single Project Template.
Template 2, Project Management Dashboard, Multiple Projects Template.
Dashboard, in Project Management Dashboard, Multiple Projects Template. Team, in Project Management Dashboard, Multiple Projects Template. Projects, in Project Management Dashboard, Multiple Projects Template. Tasks, in Project Management Dashboard, Multiple Projects Template.